you insert sequential numbers in Google Sheets. We are going to have a row for each month in our loan amortization schedule in Google Sheets, so the first column will be titled Month. Under that, I am going to type in 1, 2, 3, 4 in subsequent rows. Now, to insert sequential numbers, I can use my mouse and highlight A7 to A10, and then left-click on the cell anchor, and while holding the click, dragging the mouse down the column. When I've reached a good spot, release the click, and the cells will populate with a sequential list of numbers. Here you can see me go to 40. You can also do this with dates and other numbers in a series. But there is another way to insert a list of numbers. I can use the formula equals plus the cell above, in this case A46 plus 1. Now, in A47, you can see the number 41. Now I can copy and paste that formula as far down the sheet as I would like. For our loan amortization schedule, we want to get to 360 months, or 30 years times 12 months. Now, to get back to the top, let's use the shortcut keys, CTRL+Home. Google Sheets builds on a foundation of basic skills. In order to build this loan amortization schedule, we need to know the efficient ways to insert sequential lists like the two we just shared with you. It's good to also know shortcut keys. Subscribe today to take your Google Sheets education to the next level. By subscribing, the next time you search for anything Google Sheets, our videos will come up at the top of your search results. Okay, watch this video next.